Justin and Jonathan? Was Alex? You're red.
Diego, Junior.
You know what? After Alex wrestles, I'll have him run the clock like a Christian.
Okay.
Unless you want to do it. Well, I don't know if you want to do it.
Run the clock?
Run this. It's up to you. If you want to do it, or you'll have Alex do it. Will I go the rest of it?
Yeah.
Okay. Go, 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 move. Okay, this one's going to go over fast. Too red. I told you.